Welcome to Turn Right Machine Works. My name is Keith. Today we have a shop repair, just getting started here, and we're having to repair this handle mount, and this is for the knee, the up and down for the knee. And this handle here, originally when I got this mill, all the handles were knocked off the front here, forklift accident, something like that, and two years ago, I had a giant set of struts. I was milling. In fact, actually, they were three components to the strut itself, and then they were welded together. And one of the pieces was about 130 pounds or so, and I lost control of it, and it slid off, and it grabbed this handle, and it broke loose the repair that I did on this this mill. I put this together in 1993. So the repair lasted quite a long time, but you know, you have a mishap, and so I've been nursemating. It was still joined by the all thread in the middle that I actually put the two parts together. And I'm going to try, the first thing I'm going to do is try to get that all thread out of both sides so that I can reassemble that clean. And I'm going to try to do the repair on this without pulling the machine apart and without pulling the shaft all the way out of the machine. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull apart the shift handle here and the wheel, and we're going to get a close look in there. Alright, and this is these are taper pins that these are held on with. And if I remember right, that just rocks and comes off the end here. Nice. And you can still see I sanded so that the paint was all off of that surface there, so it was metal to metal, so I could have, because that thrust and everything else for that lever and that shaft going inside was very important. And that was cool. Alright, we need to get to the screwdriver section here. See if we can get to it without turning that on. Alright. And there's the dial. There's a pin there. Let's yeah, shift this so that I can rotate that around. I want to see if the other side is smaller or bigger. Kind of hard to tell. It looks like it might be 1/8 of an inch. That's pretty easy. It is a straight pin. Alright, get you a close look at what we got there. Silicone bronze was my repair, and of course it's dirty and filthy for a while right now, but you can see that I actually finally broke loose the stud that was holding the two parts together. Alright, so we're going to, this one's easy. We can put this in a lathe, center drill it, and see what we can do about that. This one here, we're going to have to do a nice transfer punch, get a good punch mark on there, and we're going to try a left-hand drill bit first. In fact, actually, I'm going to go take my spring-loaded center punch and just put it in there, and I'm going to see if I can get it to move at all, just to see if it is loose and broken off or if it is frozen in there. You know, I think today is my lucky day. because I see ever so slightly, I get to see a moving. See that? Back and forth, rocking back and forth. This rough surface right here of the material itself, the dirt, grit, couple rollovers, mushroomed, and I'm going to go ahead and take the rotary burr, and I'm going to get a little bit of that off of here. But I'm going to go get some light here first. Alright, that's a lot better. Alright, blow that out with some air, and okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm going to go get my transfer punches. We're going to get a good center punch on that there. And then I'm going to center drill it. And then I'm going to go in there with a left-handed number 8 bit. Sighting down all the sides all the way around. And that is a 3/8, so 5/16 is the transfer punch that I'm using. And each little tap I'm verifying that I am in the center. And looks like I'm drifting that way just a little bit. Looking good. Alright. That may also have loosened it up just a little bit. And we're just going to take a little punch here. We're going to see the motion is, it's still loose. Alright, now I'm going to center drill that. You know, I went through Home Depot the other night, and Vanessa and I, on the way out, I steered us through the power tools aisle. Sometimes I try to stay clear on it, but I went through there, and being the tool queer I am, I think I put my hands on 5 different pieces of tooling in there, and one I was looking at the DeWalt 3/8 drill motor. Now this is a Craftsman here, and this Craftsman is, I don't know, it's probably, I wish they had dates on it, because then I wouldn't be stretching the truth, but I actually think I had this drill motor about as long as I've had this mill here. And I put this together in '93, so it's somewhere around that year. But this drill motor's seen better days, and the only reason why I didn't grab that DeWalt the other night, which was a pretty good deal, 59 bucks for 3/8 motor, and all I needed was the keyless chuck and a nice zero, just simple, stupid tool. That's all I wanted, and the DeWalt fit the bill 100%. I don't know, it's a little sentimental. This thing really hasn't kicked the bucket yet, and I thought I was, you know, being a little premature, but I was looking at the new replacements already. So we're in there sometime or another. Now let's put a little lube on there, and we're going to use a little tap fluid here. You just want the crispness of it. Okay, I'm happy with that. We're gonna try drilling that from there. Go grab a number 8 left-hand drill. At least I say that because I know I have those in there, and it's a safe number to be down underneath the tap size for the 3/8. All right, just changing the angle a little bit on the camera there for you, and whoa, this is gonna be grabbing fast here. Let's hope. Well, it wanted to. I'm forcing it over a little bit here because the leading edge broke on this side over here. I'm gonna go get a right hand number 8, just see if I can get it to go in again. And I want to try to do this without actually poking all the way through it. But I want to see it move again. Okay, there it goes. That's as far as it wants to go in. Alright, let's see if we can get it to come back out. Well, it wants to. But we got a burr on there. Alright, so let's go back in. And we're going to take the rotary burr and we're going to clean that leading edge out there. Alright, that's just... Alright. Well. Alright, left one. Boy, it doesn't want to grab it. Oh, there it comes. Awesome. Alright. Winner, winner, winner. Now, you know, everybody's talked about a left-hand drill bit, and that's the case of a left-hand drill bit. If this is loose in the threads, you can get it out with a left-hand drill. If it's bottomed out, or if it's galled, a left-hand drill bit is not going to have the strength to drill anything other than drill you a left-hand hole. And a left-hand hole looks just like a right-hand hole. Okay, so we're gonna tap this out now into the. All right. Looks like cockeye in there. All right. All right, we're gonna go get some cleaner. We'll spray into there, and we're gonna get this in the lathe. We're gonna get that one out. And we're going to go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and center drill that, and we're going to try the left hand as well, even though I think some of that weld right there probably got onto that screw right there. Okay, we got a nice big center drill in there. I'm going to try sliding it in there so that if it does grab, it's going to push and pull back this way here. And I'm going to also drop this down into a low speed here. Put it in reverse. Set your taper. What else could go wrong? You could forget to tighten it.